Norfolk Public Schools. I'm Sharon Redinger, and I am so excited to introduce Babylon Microfarms to you all. So keep in mind, we have 4 Babylon Gallery units coming soon to you and your teams. So I'm delighted to share a little history about our company. So we were founded at UVA, and it was a project with Graham and Alexander. And basically, how do we bring fresh, sustainable produce to a family of 4 in the most healthy, sustainable way possible? So as you can see behind me, this was our first iteration, and it has definitely evolved over time. We actually dabbled in an air hockey table, and this right here is one of our largest installations to date at Boar's Head Resort. They actually asked to use our technology, and we created these custom units so their guests at their resort can enjoy fresh, sustainable produce year-round on site at the push of a button. One of my favorite projects that we've partnered with in the top right corner up here is MSC Cruise Lines. So we've actually partnered with them on 2 different vessels, and they are literally fully self-sufficient with all the microgreens that they're serving at their garden kitchen restaurant, and on the second ship, all of the basil for their guests. So keep in mind, you have some beautiful, stunning focal points that are coming soon that will really inspire student engagement, sustainability, health, and wellness. So let's dive into your Babylon Microfarms. So we've deployed about 220 of these units across the world. We've partnered with organizations like LinkedIn. The U.S. Olympic team is actually serving the produce to their athletes. They actually just installed 2 more of our units. So keep in mind, you're gonna have these stunning units on site, and it's amazing for field trip opportunities, student engagement. We have a lot of education teams who love these for field trips, cooking classes. It's really unparalleled in regards to the experience. Now, how do we take the guesswork out of growing? So with our technology, we control the environment. So we dose the water, the nutrients, the pH, and all your teams have to do is either survey your students or select whatever variety of produce you want to grow from our menu, pop these pre-seeded compostable pods directly in the farm. From there, the app takes over and it tells your team when to transplant, harvest, and do some light cleaning, really taking that guesswork out of growing. So how do we take the guesswork out of growing? This is our guided growing app. So this tells your team when to transplant, harvest, do some light cleaning. There's also video tutorials, a help desk. There's even downward facing cameras within the units. So let's say we're doing a cooking class this Friday and you want to showcase to your students, hey guys, check out what's growing in our farm. You have access to those images. All right, now we're going to take a tour of our headquarters. We are located here in Richmond, Virginia. If your students and faculty ever want to come for a field trip, we would be thrilled to arrange that for you. So as you can see, everything is here. So from our technology team to our technology and support, this is kind of the hub of Babylon. So we're going to dive over here to our horticulture team. So one of the fun parts of Babylon is we've actually tested over 300 different varieties of produce. So as we pop you in here, you can see all the different varieties that we're always testing, different types of grow medium, even our different products. And we actually have another tour in here today with the Virginia Tech team. So as you can see, we manufacture everything in-house. So these are our units right now. So before we send them out to you, we want to make sure they're in perfect condition. So we actually test the units for 5 full days to ensure that when it comes out and our technicians come to do the installation, they are ready to get growing. So we're going to keep moving over here so you can actually see more of the magic behind the curtain. So one thing that's amazing about Babylon is our technology. So as you know, we are an ag tech company, and we want to make sure that we take the guesswork out of growing for you and your teams. So how do we go about doing that? So over here, this is our Babylon IQ software. So this tells our team in regards to water level, nutrients, pH, making sure that your farm stays in pristine condition. So as you can see, the nutrients, this is the dosing of the water, so really making sure that your farm is in that perfect condition. So as you can see, we have an expansive menu that you, your faculty, and students are going to get to select from. So the beauty of Babylon is we're the only company in the United States who use a compostable polymer to send you whatever variety of seed pods that you want to grow. And literally all your team has to do is scan this QR code. From there, pop the seeds pods directly in the farm, and our technology takes over. Now the beauty of this, because food safety is a top priority for us, we do have pure traceability from what batch of seeds that you get to when you're harvesting your produce. So keep in mind, a lot of our clients love to actually survey their students to figure out what you want to grow within your farm, and every 6 weeks you get whatever variety of seed pods you want to grow, really kind of making it extremely easy so you don't have to remember to do any of that. Thank you all again for taking the time to learn about Babylon Microfarms. If you have any questions at all, please do reach out to me at any time. Thank you.